So during the unboxing, I said it was 4.5 inch, but it's actually 4 3/8. So I have my tool there, my Sharpie, and my tape measure here. So this is what it's talking about right here, where it bends. May cut that one a little bit long, but you can always try to take some off the top afterwards, right? Oh, that one's cut a little long. It's not cut straight. Yeah, unfortunately I didn't see the angle of it, so hopefully that won't be a big deal. Alright, so I've got the nuts off the bracket here. You can basically slide it up and off. I'm gonna wait until I get it actually out of there, but there's that. And now you work it off of this one here, and the other one on the other side. Hopefully it won't fall on me. Alright, so here's our cut pipe. I'm going to just go ahead and add some 100 grit sandpaper. Alright, we have a bracket. Let's slide that there. I'm starting with the driver's side. This is right here where I can't do it, I'm under the car. This is the rubber grommet I'm with. So we're gonna start. There we go. Okay, so hopefully there we go. Oh, perfect. And fortunately, my non-straight cut did not affect it at all. All right, to the other side, do the same thing. This bracket here, you can see it. This bracket, yeah. All right, so the instructions call for tightening to 12 pounds, checking center, and then once you're good on centering it everywhere, you go 32 to 35 foot-pounds. I got this torque wrench set on 34, so that's that. It says do not over tighten. Everything looks good. All right, here we have the new installed Borla ATAK series on my Camaro. We can see the decibel readings here. Just the wind going through the trees and me talking, 50, whatever. My original test, I believe the idle was 70 decibels.